Hi everybody, it's Austin Beeman, and today I am doing travel photography on film in Tokyo, Japan with my Olympus Trip 35. I am in the Tsukiji Market, the Outer Market here in Tokyo, where a lot of the freshest fish in the city is sold. I'm going to be walking around once again with my Olympus Trip 35 film camera, and I'm going to put that camera on top of this camera and give you an opportunity to see the kind of images that we're able to produce today. So I hope you come with me on this journey. Thanks.
We can cut the car, we can cut angle for you. あ、大丈夫です。じゃあ、ご無沙汰です。クローズ乗って、昨日プール行って。
Fresh from the grill.
Avec le one.
北海道アップシが出ましたよ。
寿司三昧。
オッケー、どうぞ。いらっしゃいませ。かきもありますよ。はい、かきもありますよ。どうぞ。
お願いいたします。